It's your girl Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a swatch and a little bit of a review on a palette that I've got right here. And the name of the palette is Sunset Dusk by Beauty Glazed. I don't know like what they were trying to accomplish, honestly, and this is no shade in them, but I don't know what they were trying to accomplish as far as like, is this a dupe or not? This is the packaging right here. This is the carton that it came in right here. It has the shades on the back. Now this is about $10 from Amazon, so as you guys can probably like, I don't know, guess that these shadows probably won't be the best in pigment, but I wanted to just try it out and just see, because I had good, really good experience with Bad Habit palettes, the Athena palette, as well as their Royals palette. They're so pigmented and so good. So I know this is a different brand, but I wanted to try it out and just see, like, can we really get away with using these $10 palettes and, you know, get great pigment and everything like that. And also, one thing that I don't like is when, like, you're doing your eyeshadow, you're building it up, you're going, you got your different colors, and then they all starting to kind of blend together. That's not a good sign. Once they do that, then you know that they're just not good quality shadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up so you guys can see what this looks like. And as you guys can see, I kind of touched a few of them and, you know, played around just for a sec, but a few of these colors are really pretty to me. Like this color here called Ginger, it says bright yellow, as well as Rose. I really haven't seen this color yet in the few palettes that I have. They're really, I just think it's a cute mix between a pink and a red. I think it's perfect. The shade Mermaid is really pretty. A few other shades, but let's just get a quick swatch going really fast. Okay, this is that shade Rose. And remember guys, just because they swatch okay does not mean that they will lay the same way on the eye. So, and this is in the shade Mermaid. You see, it's really, it's pretty streaky. That's Mermaid. That's the shimmer looking one. Okay, and then I'm going to try the shade Ginger, which is that yellow pigment. See, I mean, they're streaky. All right, these are the few ones that I am going to go ahead and swatch. I don't think I'm gonna swatch anymore, guys. I really don't think it's worth it. This is a $10 palette from Beauty Glazed. Okay, so I'm not gonna swatch anymore, but I am gonna go ahead and just jump into my look. So stick around if you guys want to see what look I come up with. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and start this eye look off. As you guys can see, you know, the rest of my face is done, and I just want to get a cute little look with this. So the first shade that I'm gonna jump into is Ginger, which is that yellow shade that you guys saw there. Okay. Right away, pretty chalky. I'm just gonna put that out there. Go ahead and blend that into my crease there. Yeah, I can definitely say, you know, there is a place for this palette, you know what I'm saying? If you just don't have the money, if you don't want to spend, you know, 30, I would say most palettes, you know, most decent palettes are 25 and up. So if you're a person who just doesn't even want to deal with it and you're okay, you know what I mean, then why not try it? But I can tell right now that this is kind of chalky a little bit. All right guys, so I finished blending out that shade Ginger, so I'm gonna take that shade Rose And I'm gonna pop it right here in that crease. And I'm just gonna kind of work it in right there. I feel like this one picks up really, really well. I like this shade a lot, Rose. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and blended out Rose as much as I can, but I am noticing that the colors are starting to kind of blend together a little bit on their own. Even though I blended it in a little bit, I feel like they're kind of starting to fuse together just a smidge. So the next color that I'm gonna jump into is this shade in Volcano. I was gonna go with Ash, but then I'm gonna just stick with this one. And as you guys can see, I really had to dig into Ginger to get, you know, just some really good pigment and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just pick up on Volcano, and I'm just gonna go right here, right in the outer corners, guys, just to kind of warm that up and help that out a little bit right there. And as you can, I mean, I'm not seeing anything here. Okay, here we go, a little bit of pigment. And let me just say this again, guys, this palette is nothing like the Athena palette or the Royal palette from Bad Habit. They are not like this. I'm getting a whole lot of kickback, not too much pigment except for certain colors. I'm really having to dig into Volcano to get what I'm looking for right here. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna just let y'all know, I tried. I really tried. I've been sitting here, I've been blending, I've been adding, I've been subtracting, writing, arithmeticking. Like the shadows have literally fused together, as you guys can see. Yellow, gone. Rose is still around. Rose, look at me, ice thirsty. Rose is still around. And so now I'm trying to put this copper shade in the middle of the lid, because like at this point I'm just trying to give you guys a look. I'm just trying to give y'all a cohesive look, you know, that you guys can take away from this palette and from this video, because Miss Beauty Glaze is not cutting today. Is not cutting it. Okay. But those pressed glitters though, those are that formula is really, really good. And you guys, I'm spraying my brush because I feel like maybe I can get more pigment out of this copper color to go on my lid. As you guys can see, it's not up to par. Okay guys, so I am back. This is the finished look, you guys. I'm gonna just let you guys know right now, this $10 palette, it sucks. I'm gonna just say that, I'm being honest. I'm not feeling it. All the colors fuse together, every last single one of them. They all fuse together, and I used 4 separate colors, including I put that yellow, that color Ginger, I put it in my waterline and right underneath my lower lash line. And I mean, you could see it a little bit if I really come up close, but you cannot even tell that it's here. So it's crazy. I'm happy that Beauty Glaze is making palettes affordable for people, but I feel like, you know, if Bad Habit can make some really good pigmented palettes for $10 and $12, so can they. And maybe they don't like palettes and eyeshadows is their focal point for Beauty Glaze, but I feel like if you're gonna sell them, make some really good pigment, make some really good shadows that really stand out on its own and just fuse together. And it sucks. It really sucks, because there's people out there that's really spending their $10 on this, like for reals, you know what I mean? So I feel bad, but this Sunset Dusk. I probably won't use this again. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I probably will not use this palette again. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, who I'm gonna give it to. But if I have some followers, fans, friends out there who would love to have this, I'll send it to you, no big deal, so you guys can check it out and see for yourself. And so we're done. For the lips, I used my Jouer Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Petal de Rose for my lips. I mean, I think cohesively the look, it's a cute look, but like I said, the shadows, they're just not up to par. Just not up to par. I'm gonna hit my face up with this Scandinavia finishing setting spray X motherfucking T. And here we go.